Hi, my name is Annalisa Champion. I am the Area 4 Science Coach in Orlando, Florida, and I'm excited to submit my proposal for ADI Fest 2025. My session, From Questions to Discovery Enhancing Science and Math Learning with ADI, will focus on how we can use argument driven inquiry as best teaching practices, not just in science, but also in math and across different subject areas. In this session, we'll explore how to integrate ADI into our classrooms using real world problem solving, inquiry based learning, and structured student argumentation. You'll get a first hand look at 5 key lesson plans and how to integrate ADI lessons by class period. It can be done. We'll also cover practical ways that include digital journals, core class study notes, and student submitted videos to deepen learning and engagement. And for my fellow educators working with ML and ESOL students, I'll be sharing strategies for making ADI accessible using structured discussions and visual supports to build language skills while tackling the rigorous content. And for my math teachers, yes, ADI works in math too. We'll explore how it can be used to get students excited about key math skills by applying real world problems and even serve as an enrichment tool for deeper exploration. If you've ever wondered how to make ADI work in your classroom, whether in science, in math, in STEM, this session is for you. You'll leave with ready to use lesson ideas, practical implementation strategies, and ways to adapt ADI to both elementary and secondary classrooms. Plus, we'll look at how to use newsletters to showcase student work to involve all stakeholders, fostering collaboration, and to strengthen core curriculum using ADI principles. Whether you're new to ADI or looking for a fresh way to enhance your teaching, this session will give you tools and confidence to bring inquiry based learning to life. I can't wait to share these ideas with you at ADI Fest 2025. Let's transform the way we teach and make learning more engaging, meaningful, and student centered. See you there.